Welcome to another exciting tutorial here on Youths for Christ TV. Today, we are going to learn about audio compression, and in this tutorial, you will also notice how important it is to have a compressor on live audio performances, podcasts, worship places such as churches, and other widely applicable areas, without forgetting our main focus, the online streaming. And without any further ado, let's dive into the course. For this tutorial, we are going to use OBS Studio Compressor to demonstrate the effectiveness of the audio compressor. Let us understand what is a compressor. Compression basically means reducing the loudest parts of an audio signal and boosting the lowest parts of an audio signal to achieve normalization on an audio signal. Note that compressors work the same way in both analog and digital devices. The better understanding of using the compressor and audio levels of your signal can help you achieve the best sound output. The compression has controls that affect the audio signal. Input gain controls the level of the signal going into the audio compressor. Threshold brings down the overall level of the loudest parts of your audio signal. This is how threshold works. If you set your threshold at -20 decibels, everything below this level will not be affected by the compressor. But any signal louder than -20 decibels will be compressed. Ratio determines how much a signal will be compressed once it's gone over this threshold level. Note that the higher the ratio, the more compression will be. Attack is the amount of time a compressor takes to act on the input signal once the sound level has gone over the threshold level. Release is the amount of time a compressor takes to let the signal return to normal once it has gone below the threshold level. Output gain is used to level up the signal to the desired level if it sounds too low after compression. Let's now test the possible ways to compress the following audio recording. Please note my settings may not work for you, but the concept must work. Take time to understand the concept to get the best compression. I have made the sound uneven to demonstrate compression. Preferably use headphones. Here are the default settings when compressor is turned on. Let's level up and down the ratio to get the difference. Please be cautious of high volume. Levels between 2:1 and 5:1 are good for both vocals and music. We are going to set our ratio to be 4:1 for smooth compression. This typically means that in every 4 decibels you subtract 1 decibel. Let us now find the appropriate level for the threshold and get the signal difference. At this point, since we have lowered the threshold, the compressor is lowering any higher volume than -25 dB. Now let's add some ululations and see if the noise will clip the audio signal. Let us now input uneven signals to the compressor and see the difference on the audio signal output. You must note that the compressor is able to level down the signal, but is not able to level up the low signals. In this case, we will add output gain to push up the low-level audio parts. The curvy lines on the audio track control the audio volume. The volume signal appears like a wave, and successfully, the compressor has been able to normalize both the high and low audio signal. Now let's see what the release effect does to the audio signal when it's lowered down to 0 milliseconds. You may have noticed that the higher the release time used, the more the compressor is able to contain the effect, and lower release time increases the effect decay time. What happens when you increase the time to attack the high audio input signal? Now, for the final result, notice both the high and low audio signals are being compressed, and that's how to achieve the best clean leveled audio. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember, you can always leave a comment. If you have any questions, drop on the comment section, and I will be glad to help. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe.